Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining the exact writing objective and constraints. You must be specific. Once done, pick an AI model and set parameters like temperature and max tokens so outputs align with your voice. Then provide a compact prompt that includes context, sample lines, and required sections. This steers the model immediately. Make sure to request style, audience level, and a short outline first. That starts the process and prevents aimless drafts while saving you heavy editing later. You now iteratively refine the draft by giving focused commands. Shorten, expand, or reframe specific paragraphs. Once done, request examples or analogies to clarify complex points and ask for transitions between sections so flow improves. Make sure to run a fact-check pass and prompt the AI to cite the reasoning it used. Use split prompts for structure versus wording. That way you polish logic in one step and tone in another, which speeds up clean final drafts. You finish by performing a final edit pass. Fix grammar, tighten voice, and confirm consistent terminology across the piece. Once done, request AI to produce headlines, meta descriptions, and a short summary for distribution. If the AI drifts or hallucinations appear, reset context, simplify your prompt, and provide one clear example to correct behavior. Make sure to save working prompts and versions so you can reproduce successful results and recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.